Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Drive plugin access management feature. Drive plugin is our plugin that suggests to upload and control files into your Redmine. Okay, so access management is the feature of granting an administrator to have some normal Redmine users do or do not do some things. So maybe it sounds a bit difficult now, but I'm going to show you in detail how it could be done and what is this functionality. So please just watch and see. Okay, so currently I'm logged in into this Redmine as an administrator, and now I'm going to create a new user. He could be a normal Redmine user, in other words, not an administrator. Okay, so I go to administration here and then users and then create a new one. So it is Neo from the Matrix. I'm going to name it in this way, and his first name is Thomas and last name Anderson. So this is from the iconic movie from the 1999. So this is Neo. Okay, so his email could be neo@matrix.com. Okay, so I'm going to put some password here. What happened here? Okay, so very important is that Neo is not an administrator. He is just a normal Redmine user. Okay, so we create him, and now we add him some project. So currently he is not listed into any project. I add project here and I select Agile and Role Reporter. So Neo and every other guy that is with reporter role will have the permissions that I'm going to grant Neo into this project. Okay. So I add him this role. Okay, it is done. So we see the project here and the role is this one. Okay, so let's go and see into other Redmine what is the situation with Neo. So we click sign in here and sign in with Neo. Neo from the Matrix. Okay, so we select the Agile project and then we see that we have a couple of tabs here. So we have overview, activity, roadmap, and issues in Gantt. So we do not see Drive at all. So we're going to change this behavior now and see how it could be done. Let's return back to the Redmine where we are being logged in as admin. So we click now on administration, then roles and permissions, and then reporter role. So we scroll down to the Drive section and Drive block of permissions, just to see where it is. Okay, here it is, Drive. Okay, so we have four available permissions. So currently we could start with view drive entries. So let's grant Neo this option. So we click on it and then save. Okay, so let's return back to Neo and just refresh our page. Okay, we see that the Drive tab is now available into the project where we have granted Neo to view the Drive things. So we click on Drive and see that there are a couple of things here. So we are able to view the Drive folders and files. Okay, so we click here and see these people, this family, this guy with a dog, this happy guy with the cake, and so on. So let's try and see other things. We have a folder here, and yeah, we have a couple of pictures, PDF files. Okay, so we open the PDF file. Okay, so into the PDF we got this picture. We have another pictures here, and so on. So we are able to see the Drive files. But if we want to add some new file or folder, we are currently limited. So we have not such a permission. Let's go back and grant Neo this permission. So into the same way, we open the reporter as administrator, then scroll down to the drive and see the add drive entries. So we enable this option and now just save the changes. Okay. So we return back now to Neo again and refresh the page, and we see that we have new buttons here. Okay, new folder and upload files. So we are able to add drive entries. Let's do it. So we click on the folder now and name it, for example, matrix 999. Okay, this could be the name. So into this folder, we could enter now and upload some files. Okay. So we have three pictures of Neil dodging the bullets, Neo and Smith, and the poster of the movie. So we select all and just upload them. Okay, so they are successfully uploaded and added now. But if we try to edit these files, then what could we do? So we click on the dots here, but we have only download and copy options. We could not delete, we could not edit, we could not move or something like this. Yeah, we just have not enough permissions. But let's go and change this. We return back to the admin again, click on the reporter role, and then scroll down to drive and see that we have edit drive entries here. So enable this permission and just save the changes, all right? Good. So we return back now, refresh our page, and see that, yeah, we have now a lot of new options. We have share, we have edit, we have move, we have delete. Okay, so we decide that we do not need Neo and Smith. We need only the other two pictures. So we just click here and delete this picture. Okay, and yeah, we see that we have only two pictures now. If you wish, you could even delete a full folder. So we click here and delete the folder if you wish. So you have the right permissions now to do this. All right. Okay, so the last permission that we got is the commenting. So we see that when we open some file into the drive, we have some commands here at the bottom, but I cannot add a command. I see only the commands, but I cannot add them. Okay, so the thing is that I have granted Neo the last permission with the administrator. So we scroll down, enable this feature, an option, and permission, and scroll down to save it. Okay. So if we return back again and refresh the page, we see that we have a button add command. So Neo is now able to add commands. Okay, so we click on add command and write something. For example, this is the great moment of Neo trying to dodge the bullets from the agent. We say try because actually one bullet just touched him on the leg, so he didn't evade all of them. Anyway, so let's add this command. We click add now, command added, and see that, yeah, Thomas Anderson, or in other words, Neo, less than a minute, has just wrote a command. So this guy is Thomas Anderson, all right? So this is the great moment of Neo trying to dodge the bullets from the agent. So we have successfully posted this command on the file. Okay, so yeah, these were the 4 available permissions for the Drive plugin access management feature. I hope this video was good and helpful for you. If you like it, you could check others, videos and articles from RedmineUP. And if you wish, you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube, comment, share things, and if you have some problems or questions, or just want to say hello to our team, please drop some message on support@redmineup.com. Thanks for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now.